बॅप्टिझमाचो आणि बेबी गर्ल फेस रिवील व्हिडिओ तुम रावताय हांव जाणा, बट तेच्या पयलीं तुमी आमगे प्रिपरेशन चोया फॉर द बॅप्टिझम. आनी हांव येता मिसा कित्याक गो?
कितें हाल म्हाका कांकण घालपा जाय. सी यू.
माय छाता लेडी. अरे तेगे बाईगे ड्रेस विसता हिंगा बापुटो. माय गॉड. वस्तून येयली आमगे फेवरेट लिफ्ट आणि हे पाटी येयली आमी बुशू लागून. NHS अपॉइंटमेंट जाल्लो ना, कोणा बुक लागले यायचंय त्याला थापप उमेद तेका.
So we have received a very special gift from a very special friend of mine. Let me show you what she has sent for baby. Pair of shoes. So cute. This is a fourth pair of shoes for baby. An inner for baby to wear when she goes to the church. A stocking pant. So nice. Smells so good. A hairband with a cute little bow. The finale. A dress that baby can wear when she's at home. Tan-ta-da! Isn't this adorable? So this has come all the way from Turkey. She had gone to Turkey and she picked it up over there. When I was pregnant, she was trying to ask me the gender, but I did not tell her. She picked up boy as well as girl, and she said, when you have a boy, if you have a boy, I'll give you the boy's outfit, and if you're a girl, I'll give you a girl's outfit. Thank you, Steph and Rohan, for all your love. Thank you so much. God bless you guys.